welcome to my channel. My name is Ivy and I'm new here on YouTube. I decided to start this channel because I wanted to help other moms like me who are on a strict budget, but they want to give their families the best that they can. I am a mom, obviously. I have 2 children and I'm married. And like I said, I try to do my best to make ends meet and just, I still want my home to look nice. I want my children to have nice quality things, but I try to do it on a budget. The videos on this channel will pretty much consist of anything from DIY projects to, hauls, potentially from like places like Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, Dollar General, anywhere really where I can try and save money. For today's video, I decided to do a DIY project of a Justice-inspired backpack. My daughter is really into the backpacks right now with the name initials, and she really wanted one for school this year, but I could not get it in me to spend the $60 to $100 on these backpacks. They are very expensive, and I know for a lot of moms, we want to give our children nice quality things that look great and your child will love, but it can come at a costly price. So like I said, I decided to try and do this on my own, and I actually liked the way it turned out. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, keep watching.
First, print out a letter of your choice for a tracer. Next, you're going to get a piece of foam paper in whatever color you choose. You will also need gemstones to decorate your letter. And last but not least, you're going to need a needle and thread. First, you're going to take that tracer, cut it out, and go ahead, flip that piece of foam paper over and trace it. Okay, now you are going to go ahead and start cutting out the letter. And like I said, if you have a glitter foam piece of paper, flip it over, do it on the back because it's a lot easier, obviously, to trace, write on, and cut it out. Now we're going to start gluing on the gemstones. The gemstones that I bought were, they had an adhesive on the back of them, but like I said, kids can be rough, so I thought it'd be best if I hot glued it. Now when you're hot gluing, try and be careful because you don't want to add too much glue. I did that a couple of times and it oozed out a little too much from underneath, so like I said, less is better in this case. Now our letter is complete. So our next step in this project is to sew on your letter. Now when sewing, be careful. There were a few times that I poked myself because it is hard to get the needle through your foam letter and the backpack. It's hard to get it through. So when you're doing it, just be careful. But I made it out okay. I didn't cut myself or anything, so it was fine.
Okay guys, I'm back from what seemed like forever of sewing, but here is the final product. I really like it. I think it came out really cute. It does not look like I DIY'd it. It looks very like I bought it from the store. Like I said, I did sew it on because I wanted it to have a fresh appearance. I did not glue it on because I didn't want it to fall off while she was at school. Kids can be really rough with their things. But yeah, I really, really like it, and I think it came out great. And it looks very close to like what a Justice backpack would look like. So if you guys liked this, please, if you have anything to say about it, comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe. Until next time, see you guys.